Yeah, honorable.
Why ne shasi? Why ne shasi? I didn't know ye in one ne shasi.
Honorable, no kwani ya mi anim ni say say ade mintimi nka say eye kwasi anasa adwoa. Na no kwani ye ntetuye mu a ye nhwehwemu kakra ne say. Ansa na saa de ne be koso no. Na nipa ni bi executives ni bi aye press conference a omode kasatia ye maame Mary Bot Mamafu. Say yempeno e wa fijase asofare. Before then no na saa de no eto asukosi ye. Eninti no ye hwehwemu kakra no ye ya kosi say benya nyinaso a wo mu say nipa smesi na ye saa de no na say fan na ye saa de.
But say ne nipa mo one o kasa yim no o twere say ona no muti care mu no e na o mane fa this yo enti ebe nwanwa say mo be kasa munim nipa no anim wo na mo koye saa na be say o kire na
no kweri nyame ani wa se bibi ebesi bia no ya na wo de ma security for na o ma ye hwehwemu enti memi ni kan o ma ni me pesa bibia ye no kwere na ye fe e de ma
but are you saying
ya na ye kase ni person na si na ye na emom no emra na di ni person na si
but o kasa woni mo mani mana
because Tenya nyame na omokoye na wo edem ho anka enim de besi sanya ya tia gugu niema awa ni tia ya twitwa niema mu wo ho a anka ono amu wo ho de anase nipa de wa ni tia ka de besi yeah
okay de me pesa metia sini
okay
pese obedi o manim but se police for no efrewa obekwa akokire won a usususu mu yesa
le pa so ye fra me sisi a me ba sisi a
de tosu mienu uhu ebi anim
ana madi ka kire se on se nyema ne tosu no se wa wani ti amonfo capture ne ade ebi ane se wanya pictures a mo ti di kire amonfo no nti yanso ye nya fa evidence ne kakra ye hawa nipa na wo ho no tin no ni omo a na wo adwuma mu ho no sana adwuma da enti no na assembly workers ne wo ho ebi nso nim nipa ni bi enti yeguso a ye saa de no nti na me pese me bo obi adi wo wati de kese iso a sebe ebedura chire ne ya kaka asanfo.
All right, Urapia Dasi, Sauni Attrition Como, Nhyira 104.5, Kuro Yi Mu Nsem, Efremina Nakujanto, Honorable Isaac Apia, Assembly member, Ashwa, MPP member, and Yanene Attrition Como, if you DC, me pato wako Facebooka, ko shedie ekoso. Se DC, MPP for Kasa, DC. Unim se DC, you know, Tessa Odon Saka DC, Odon Saka, President. And Kofon said then nim say I was saying on it say what say president office because DC you know the president of the district inti makwa say Nana Akufo-Addo office just because of them anyway ko Facebook say na ko share dey make na ko hu the way a DC office ya say no kra ya say no wa hwe wa te say ye bubu no ya say no ebia woni Facebook so am tire mpese mcha samfoni ya say office na nkasa ya tese ya butu ni nyoma ode trotro nyina ya say na adwudwam atese glasses nyina abo che ne ya dane ade no ne office ne ya dane ya say krata wo so otro krata mi wan so say ebia wo so ya handing over e che say sa krata yi de wo so sign obatan. Oh, Christ. President say eya eno anka se na wo so use president sre obetimi asre ye president they say kra de ye de bidie de na sa ba enti president say de bia no pay ya wutwitwu say metwitwi misi president chakodi ama mesie twan president say sre na pesa wo sre ena no pay na wutwitwu si akai say president na be use mayansan ko from na biem na Honorable Robert Fosu assembly member Chichire for Mina constituency ne boni nyina ne se wakọ campaign ama Honorable Esiama independent candidate ya wa wini opanyi Kuro Yi Mu Nsem ni Nhyira FM mache
Yeah, yeah.
Threats no eden a phone so anase ye frɛ na ye dia threaten wo so me do meku ano mebo.
So mbobo me. So me hunye.
Why na se obebo na hwe hu yi?
After election, the din kunim awie. Ina sane na no ho na me nya akọ. Nya na me mpeke. Nche ndo am ho na number akọ na sa frɛ. To frɛ ka jem se akọtu nkofo bi a nkomo mu din na omobo me din se sa dadin chechere assembly member ndi nya na. Ya fa no enche no kra because of anamo 2 year wo. Lawyer and drama kwesi ama campaign. Mopa me ho nche no kra. Nti for now no. Nte baby in fact. Na omo hwehwe me. So kan na me dana so se me dana so akoto assembly say na e de aboma mane. Na ha me pe me fa ka me pe baby fa.
Enti chese odumfo bi ope wa asem kra ne beyi hu ne se wote wa na nke aba bebo.
Sa na chebe pepe. No ofre me am in fact nti enu an na me go mo da me peke ne ko. O se nti na oguso ofre me sa na me dana se.
Wow. Na edie nkwa boni be nkwa na maya wo mpeso mobomu.
Yenya boni bia. Yenya boni bia. Eya batuo. Ena na ye nyina ye kwa akoto ye akoche ya adwene. Na party na yini nipa. Ena ye MP na oteso. Ana ye fe no omo fe no former MPC ya tuno.
Obanyi to boase kakra memsa ba so. Obanyi to boase kakra. Ebusa fa me so ko Facebook. Ye free evidiasi yaba from mina. Ko Facebook na ko share the see one of their campaign managers ye lawyer Siama. Ne campaign manager ye bo no anani ye the videos nso ebeto so amoahu ekwan a wo mu fa so ebo no ne nyoma okan ye beka ho asem for mina campaign manager for lawyer Siama ekwan a ye ne fa so ko Facebook sisi na ko hwe abrantie pa nani nyina ye ko ya bono ya bobo ne fomfra ma tese ne hunam nyina enti ko Facebook opanyi sa to aso mame
ya to ba let's say assembly member me hu any pay wo you lawyer and you question me na me my campaign e dey abo mo fidie ya so mo busa me na me say papa ne die e betu na mo abo no ni ato aba na ado ni ato aba ma lawyer ya me adom ya ko to aba yi ye fifi mo kenkaare ya yi ni me kwa de me ti ane se senka sa tim tofa no etimi di nkonimu a me teacher ye yi ma fia mo di makosirem no problem ka makwa kodi mi djuma ize nyamia adom ne nkuni di na baye ne side a ede ene hunhuna ana mebo ana ye nyanwa ye beku ejaje koso for man de benifo mbem na no de
na unie ya ye hweni
oye mi teacher ni o cheba de o training college akokere
oh enjoy a teacher ni
oye professional teacher o akokere college of education o chema de
really
o chema de
Ochema dear. Any abuna mani nyina dida moja te se moja nyina e ba for near say enyampa ebusem because we be deny but ye bona party said ye can answer we dey ye be art bi and makeup.
A day to the election. It happened on Sunday. Adebetimi ato abaye juada no. Obremi register na polling agent for be you no odadwene. The Chrome, Jovie na no more accreditation, no, and almost accreditation, no, for mana or more chair bank, almost you don't pass it. And I'm penning 4 be or more coincidence in Monday, as my say, MP no communicator, no, and then a driver, I would do pass so they should go and beat them. This idea, no, yeah, yes, it happened live. Yeah, bunny pass across 4. Saboni Bay.
Na me busao lo yesi amadi a munyina moye mo adwen se mo campaign ama no no e gidie na munyan se still because enim se for me na ye MPP seat utie de empanifo kan ye de president kan ye de napo kan ye de obia kan ye na kire se enya de kra na mo omude mo ye hwe nti de be pa na mutimi ye ya mutimi wini sa
Oh, Ada, you see me, and say, na about one idea. You who say about two. And a papa no so and I could in a chino. Not yenimidi only, and a young dear. MP Saba for Manina, Ubiana Montu, a well true. Engineer Papa or the Muslim. Engineer call near canning some extra mouth for a few. Our campaign various are near Yanoa. Na mouth for tea and Semono. And I will walk on Swa, and I said, oh, quite a lessoner. Only opponent, always Biano, opponent Michiano, who see where. What you the end result? I bet you had it, Abba. Nti papa no obi a ye selina ne kan nsem e kire no kwan na party ni fa so e ka ne ho nsem a na ye ho se papa no nkunundie betima dey aye ne dia enu ti na maye nyina e dia ho ode kwata lawyer ndu amakwasi amachi aye ne nkunundie aba no
na mamimbu saw na afie mfanwie say no say wa wani to say for me na say wiase nyina ne Ghana nyina obi ehwemo say mu na makwakoe decider because the everybody na kire say likely say ebenya NDC 137 seats MPP 137 seats say ekode ye project ne dia e just say lawyer siama ena oye decider say ebufo nti mo begina ankrankra ya na bibiba makwakobo NDC diemu anaze say mo be den samre ya yabubu mo a te say onkrofo atrati mu yi
oh minia ye ni abufuo ho ya be ni achi ko usi papa na ye gina chi na ne nsemo a de bia oka o say even ni moja kura na egu ni mu asa me odi kwa penda ni DNA ni ye MPP and he told people or catch them on Central say he's winning for the party. If the party have sacked me, I'm winning for the party. And he has won for the party. But you couldn't am MPP. And to make say MPP benefit any abutre. Now you're penny for movie to say I want to me any John Boy do more the independent I have our she chairman want to meet that TV so catch and say about free MP no party the free MP no na me adom party na di man fit lawyer and your makwasi ama and you are lawyer there say you obi any mo na say obaya the corner of the world no there I know lawyer and your makwasi ama will not turn his back to the ruling patriotic party on to me yes sir but I tried now sempre for man mre
Obanye dase ya na wahwe ohu yi bibia nso anu ame aso ate wai
Nipa mucho yo. Ti muni penifo nkasa mayen.
Yati.
Eni edi yewa lawyer ti ni die sese die. Omo maya ahotokura nke ye wi ni a o se ye ji ani no. Da bi. Yes na yehu. E abato de atu wi a nka badawruma. Fi atu awie. Mo na modi nkunimu a nke ebe ye din. Ye kwa bu se nti nkuni ani ye. All because of the economy. Nti ye sremo nso mo ka bia e wo Israel fe mo platform na kwatire pa. Mo ganjam penifo na for now no cry for me na constituency me had said dem ni tumanim empani for me na form na party structures no mo behero sese bibia ewra mark menu mo ene John Boadu mu no o mada wo mo tantanka no mo hu ni se for me na de dandi no na mi aduma masa yesre wo mo omumla no mo hero mo fancy shepa emla
ye won krofo a wo mo kire se krofo mo kire se mo for me na chairman no mu benya nanka wa free ho ofuaso
anu kwa de yewura na do di adangwa di nkaka no akokare okofo na de manti de okan na mo ba ko chere de o se fo mna mo gadi no ye to abawi a me o man panyin mehwe na no na me nti asiem no enka o mudi nkunim de a enka ni nua na okofa ne ba so medi MP ni de enka ka no 1 penny nko de be campaign abo ni nua mo sala di chairman no na sa me na table na ten ni de ye se yewura na do dankwa no one no for osie enye oyo mogabi no yo kan ye no yo tre no
mate
for osie enye oyo mayen
mate openyi ye dase no ahwe hu ye amayen
me so dem asepa ya ni shamo
Honorable Robert Fosu Assembly member chechere for me na ebusan person ko Facebook sisi na ko share abranti a ye bu ne pa ne nia papai apart from picture videos wo ho a te so no e ka se mi ankasa mi MPP fo mi ankasa o NDC fo kra ne bo mi anka ha me ba mi ankasa mi MPP fo bo me twese o munim se mawumpo everybody nyankopon politics
Indeed, indeed, if it has not been for the Lord who has been on our side, where would we have been? Ebenezer, you have been with us from the beginning till today.
The Lord bless you and keep you.
Make his face shine upon you, be gracious to you.
Lord, turn his face towards you
And give you peace.
The Lord bless you and keep you.
Make his face shine upon you, be gracious to you.
The Lord turn his face towards you and give you peace.
The Lord bless you and keep you.
Make his face shine upon you and be gracious to you.
The Lord turn his face towards you.
And give you peace.
Onyankopɔn boss when he assassin. Unana no kitwaya dasi 25 years of journalism. I mean it back for journalism. Ghana phone you now so ajatun. Noon you now so accountum. Ebenezer don't yabe kunye. Multimedia if here we there.
So it's nothing but praises as we've gone through these phases. Lord, we thank you for all that we've been through. The lows, the highs, the laughs, the cries. Ayawadum, Asempa, love and
His
joy.
favor be upon you and 1,000 generations, and your family, and your children, and your children, and your children. May his favor be upon you and 1,000 generations, and your family, and your children, and your children, and your children. May his favor be upon you and 1,000 generations, and your family, and your children, and your children, and your children. May his favor be upon you and 1,000 generations, and your family, and your children, and your children, and your children. May his presence go before you and behind you and beside you, all around you and within you. He is with you, he is with you, in the morning, in the
25 years multimedia Nyame Nhyira Mwate Mashaye Motie Oja Mofa
Onyame twere di ampon ba tampa no onche na nim nkyere no wondom no womwa no hwe so omani nsiwi e baby biara wo hwe yen na wutie yen onkoso no Nhyira
ne manfo a wo moto aba edema no owura ns odro eyopanyina wakasa edema lawyer Andrews Asiama wo kire ohaw ane atete o mofa mu ewa afi abato mu
ebikuta warriors bikuta sekan de ye suabu ni bi no blantan ni bi menua de bo mi mu me da fom ne ye de bo mi mu tum obi we butu me o ma so me nan baako tweme fom se yire it wasn't easy
sabre na o party for no mkoya na nkwa na koya no mo
we 6 people obi adwane menua ye otimi nchen ono so ye bo ni bi se obi adwane na me no me
target ni
na me target ena ba bia me fire me sa ko hia o mododo na
akoba ne se lawyer edi enkunim no edi ahoden bi brel
aminu eno ne ma me ho ye din na metimi sorry because ye na ye nyina ne se enkunim die beba and being a member of the MPP party ma contribute to me culture the me ya ne say MPP for na ye me sa say NDC for na ye me sa nka ha me
Nana Liberation Movement ewo adanse formena eyekua ebo lawyer Andrews Asiama amwako echi emene wodi enkunimo ewa adanse formena batom peso no so wo mo de atu edwase so mbesan aba MPP amanyokonum ebiemu dia gise owura akwasi inti asamwa wo yedwamtani ema amanyokono ewa adanse formena batom peso no so no ye hwan ne to akunya
ye peso asu de akwasi inti ene ye peso wo mutu ni free ho ebiom so office na o machine no o mesi bi wako kire emfa mayen
tells you baby an interest when yaka over and over say on serve the interest of the party but what alliance with big wigs of the party into a very difficult say we no asem kwa obi beka a very difficult say the oye na nya kura na o kan obi betie benu no na dia bedru dia adru enti me say it's about time say sa administration ni nyina no e ba wieye
kwasi ntim ne na sefo no na na kan ye hye because that t-shirt we kura ni ntimi nhye sanse wo mu na na ba ha krom be ye campaign say so office o MPP ni mapande a bra eti o mu na na pam na na nipa no na ye de ba bia na ye begina bia na esi nkete say woto aba ne ma na na no ato aba na ma lawyer
obi oni mi bia nim say me NDC ni na de enti a ma me ba MPP ni say me hwe honorable Andrews Asiama ahofama odo ahobrase ubuo a o ma nipa ena ya me ma kono se medi nechi na matuma aba ma no ene na na do nko Kufuado because mi swade ba me ba ye constituency ano enema bebre wo ha constituency ni ye lake ba net one I carry police station nyame bo wiase ya high police station no aserebedi akusini a ho na me ko school do ma na ye da ya han oba even our training college baby asebi school for club ejo mo nan kra no omuni bi ba ende na do ada roma ene ono bo andu se mo kwasi ama sa nyema wani na ye wo bi minim se abato ana amanyosem ye ne for mpuntu 20 se bi na nya de nipa bi bedi agu omuyem ene de ombaji ahye omubotum nti ye de yesre yenwura na do se ontie yenwura ono bo andu se mo kwasi ama na ono mom na osoma na ye ne ayewo for mena mpesua so ye tie nu na nya obi fufuro
wo afie besimu emra hye bedwamu no wo panyini ba ko ne ho akwa hiam pa eye lawyer Andrew Asiama amwako ema MPP ni NDC amanyokonu enyina yekopio panyini so ewa akurokira no woda nani so atere ne manfo a wo moto aba edema no owura ns odro eyopanyina wakasa edema lawyer Andrews Asiama wo kire ohaw ane atete o mofa mu ewa afi abato mu
ebikuta warriors bikuta sekan de ye suabu ni bi no blantan ni bi menua de bo mi mu me da fom ne ye de bo mi mu tum obi we butu me o ma so me nan baako tweme fom se yire it wasn't easy
sabre na o party for no mkoya na nkwa na koya no mo
we 6 people obi adwane menua ye otimi nchen ono so ye bo ni bi se obi adwane na me no me
target ni
na me target ena ba bia me fire me sa ko hia o mododo na
akoba ne se lawyer edi enkunim no edi ahoden bi brel
aminu eno ne ma me ho ye din na metimi sorry because ye na ye nyina ne se nkunim die beba and being a member of the MPP party ma contribute to me culture the me ya ne say MPP for na ye me sa say NDC for na ye me sa nka ha me
nana awuku denchembo amane boni adanse akrokare
very dark clouds on our democracy. And allow me to speak in specific so our claims are well known. In Nhyira, the results were declared without the content of one ballot box being counted. The parties had agreed that an issue of alleged overvoting should be referred to the collation center to be resolved. That ballot box mysteriously disappeared en route to the collation center. Nevertheless, results were declared in favor of the NPP candidate. In Upper Junction West, the EC official deferred the declaration of the results because of alleged death threats. The results favor the NDC candidate, as has been confirmed earlier today. In Senate West, a ballot box was snatched and the culprit was apprehended. The seal of the NPP must have become dislodged in the ensuing scuffle with the culprit. That of the NDC and the Electoral Commission remained intact. However, NPP would not allow the contents of the ballot box to be counted and added to the lot because it would obviously favor the NDC. In Techiman South, the NDC won quite clearly, but for whatever unknown reasons, the military was invited. In the ensuing melee, 2 people were shot and killed by the military. 8 persons were injured and hospitalized. A 3rd person, who was one of those hospitalized from gunshot injuries, has now been pronounced dead. These are three Ghanaians who wanted nothing more than for their country to fulfill its promise of democracy and ended up losing their lives at the hands of the military that is meant to safeguard their rights as citizens. They include Abdallah Ayarik, 18 years of age only, and Tajuddin Al-Hassan, 39 years of age. The results have allegedly been strangely declared for the MPP, even though the EC chair claims to have left Techiman South out of her declaration. After an audit and review of our pink sheets, and I wish to announce that we have all our pink sheets signed. After an audit and review of our pink sheets for Techiman South, we can confirm to you, ladies and gentlemen, that the NDC won the parliamentary seat as follows. NDC secured 50,417 votes, and NPP secured 49,825 votes. In the Eastern region, the results in the presidential elections, which were collated and signed by all the parties, were not the same ones that were transmitted from the Regional Electoral Commission offices to Accra. The padded figures have since been exposed. The Ashanti region provides fundamental problems that require further investigation and a full electoral forensic audit. Evidence gathered across board shows that the aggregates on the summary sheets of some constituencies do not reflect the individual results on the polling station pink sheets. You may also recall that prior to the election day, December 7th, there were many incidences where ballot papers thumbprinted in favor of candidate Nana Akufo-Addo were found at various locations. In Bantama, for instance, it was noticed that the portion of the pink sheets reserved for recording the number of persons biometrically verified had not been filled on a large number of the pink sheets. When our agent requested for the biometric machine to confirm the recorded results, they were denied access, with the explanation that they were recorded in a book to which
Nhyira 104.5 akwaba elia yekɔ afidiase na afidiase ebi afena do afidia to aye kan afidiase asem ni nyina ne sɛ DC owo hɔ na powder fa photos ne to kakra na videos no na nkɔfo ehu de yɛkan na hwɛ pa sɛ DC office oni hɔ ɔbaatan na ya storming because omu susu sɛ ɔno campaign no sabotage member of parliament nti MP before na nkasa no mu storming ye afidiase hɔ ɛkɔ make sure so ma say and nyoma na ɛwɔ hɔ no adane nyoma ne nyina kyɛ sɛ so ma wode kɔ Facebook na kɔhwɛ de yɛkan kɔhwɛ Facebook na hwɛ de ɛkɔ so yi wobon sɛ ade a mekan yɛsɛ hɔ yɛde bɛtoto hɔ kyɛ sɛ glass asɛ yɛabɔ center table ne nyinaa yiyi frɛ hɔ amade bɛsi asi nti wakɔsɛ wohwɛ Facebook a wobɛhu deɛ ɛkan nti kɔ Facebook na kɔhwɛ deɛ ɛkan na DC ni office yɛakɔ akɔsɛsɛ nneɔma ne kyɛ sɛ lawyer wɔ ha nti nneɔma no bi sɛ yɛbɛbusabusa no wei mmara mu yɛbɛɛ ne dɛn because ne yɛasɛ sɛ glass nyinaa ne yɛabobɔ no asɛ ne nneɔma nyinaa because of politics we could there young kase NDC for MPP for na woman kasa nkrofo and na ye woman kase DC ho say aye nyoma basa say ya che say hadwen but do the one kasa kwhwe de ekoso say DC na ya say adan ne nyoma all because inti ase enye adwuma de etoso mienu eye fomina paafa fomina de no nso eto ho na hwe abranti a okọ campaign ma lawyer siamenti ya se nani chese ya se ne wo se nani ba ko no wo hu hwe ya se nani ya se ne ye bona mani collapse ye twetwe ne former left and right all because of supporting independent candidate ye ne ba ko nso kasa is say we free for me na ho akọ baby foforo because enkofo obo pose ye babu na kuno politics electoral violence then time ani e kan wansem se ehia asumdie ne nem se o baby aga na adru die sebi baby adru die obebe ka se oh na den baby adru die nkantokwasa ye ni enso hwe abusi ahwe abrantie hwe Facebook odi eko Facebook sisi a na hwe abrantie a okasa for me na ono na campaign manager so a professional teacher na ya hwe ne yatiti ne ho na nyina hwe na ni ko hwe pa ma ni gina ho sa nani no fo nani no egina ho na nkofo nhwe kakra na nani ko nani na tese ni nyina asai ya bona from tese ya bona ja brantie ni ya bono because of politics ya bono ekuno tese nyame ne ya adom because o say o te se nkofo eso wawu ntie nko na nya sa wawu ade no wawu ntie nko ntie enya te se mu yeso mu kɔ de ne nka de besi because of this na betra ya ne mpanyifo betwetwe nkomo na ye ne omo but lawyer wa hai intermittently ye ne betwetwe nkomo na eja ya twe namba lawyer Kwesi Boete ya na normally o wa abrofufu nim Love FM obeba no drele nipa wo ho a decision 2020 ono an gina mu from elections e be sha ase akopem samra ye to abawie ono ankasa ene gina mu anti Love FM de ono ankasa ena na amanyosem ni nyina lawyer na obeba no lawyer drele wo court dan ho a wa ba be kam say na no pay menyane no because otimi nyane menwumre ma bre no se memre nwumre me so ma sene na sa ne tie owi a obetimi asama mu wo court lawyer good morning.
Morning, Nana.
Apom to say.
Adum now so.
You go so. Say my say ona.
Forgot a country. Is Nhyira higher come papa.
One.
Hey. The bars are send me ba me twam say ya ma guru I love her.
It does. On the manager o mani abi. Any more management to many
said you made 25 years senior. Just would him say Nhyira FM. A shall see na ye invisible FM. What an amia Juma Ajo. Baby.
I check
invisible FM. I don't know, friend.
Young couple, and your man was saying,
oh, Adam. nipa bi enya ntoboasie bi ne nneɛma bi adwensakra bi bɛn manka bibi ayɛ fine ɔman ye
okay mati yɛbɛka ho asɛm ma menkɔ ahoma no so na mene lawyer Obribo Ahen enkasa lawyer Machi. Hey lawyer Machi. Hello. Okay, line no akate. Yetwen lawyer no. So far, I'm sure say one monitor, one hosty. Impression to say elections no.
Elections no dear. Ne nipa be ya no aye. Me feel say Ghana for di omhuni. Abato ay koto ye COVID ne ade na nipa crash ro say binum nkosan la ye nkoto aba ne ade but 10 now 79% enye it was impressive. And apart from few pockets of violence, it's wo baby but generally no about only a peaceful electoral commission hitches here and there, but just all in all no on my idea me feel say about no there the mind be din hunia na Ghana for ye ni free chire ba ni bina enya mahomeka na me wogide esi ebedru
yebedru
aha nti me pepre me ho
yebedru
because chire die no aba no de me bonyo so
mate lawyer Obribo Ahen good morning
Joso
abom to say
onyambia ba roma
yede yankopon say ye busa because of the aftermath elections ya to awie musiti no mahwirihwiri bia kama but say akwako drew the 2012 mo ye no John Dramani Mahama say mo hwia abanum enti omompene odika anaze obeze onfa nansem tina baby
oh so baba ye constitution retire presidential on tiasia oko Supreme Court Parliament on tiasia oko High Court. I mean, the framers of the Constitution, the envisage Nyama will be Timasi. Intin by a why won't Tiasia no Bako? It is President Mahama on Tiasia of the Kokota. That is constitutional and legal right. You understand? That is constitutional and legal right. So that's number of Yama. I mean, no, and Yadane. So you cry any can baby baby. Yana can baby said William. So it's too early to give you a lot of quicker evidence. But I mean baby. Panda. There's a one video ni be ahe na or more counter na or more jump free baby because she baby na ballot box be Jordan kwa leading. Na ballot box be free baby by na don't send the free it won't share Tachiman Sap my recounting na so many recounting and so a lot of places a lot of constituencies you are no man
Monso say NDC for you
yeah I mean a lot of but the general let me very honest the NDC also did well I must be very honest I must be very honest and sincere Obi they could contrary view or like I said on the main argument. We are making a personal view. Because Meshania a Juma Nima year to firm yeah modern boy now could we to say President Mahama in 2016 the percentage you know what you mean Kishi. Now you answer so no the flag bearer yeah for my I just said your home na say homework no I get one more yeah your home na say homework no because we could about 169 to 168 now they say what you about from when even 150 now that's a homework we share nipa of register 17 point something million na ba beto abanu na ba sababe 13 million na anu adaye registration we 4 million abanko to abano na eyede that be bebrebe my party because for the first time skirt and blouse pa abano nya sanketwa skirt and blouse abapa in the history of this country
Nana na say ade we dodo na kan but as na my too complacent so obi be can say as Munsu yenti obi ahom ni bi na ba mo ye friend na no obi bo ahia o MPP awie John Mahama ntimi wo frɛ John Boadua o na John Mahama ntimi nya wo frɛ we bi a serial caller say frɛ executive o John Mahama de awie ne be retire no enti enye mo na complacency a mo ankasa writings were on the wall say Ghanaians were not happy with enyoma bebre corruption nyoma bebre but you were defending mo kan na akwakosi free senior high school
and also it wasn't a matter of complacency. It was a matter of prediction. It wasn't a matter of complacency. It was a matter of prediction. Now, okay, so maybe because means Yakriti region, for so many years, Uti.
Hello.
With the creation of Uti as a region. Anya shia ibenya besi siminu wa. I don't know your complacency. I don't know your complacency. No kakasa Bakreti Bono is and it's a big plus for us. Free senior high school, it's a big plus for us. Planting for wood and jobs, it's a big plus for us. Restoration of necessary allowance. That is the reality.
But when Ghanaians were also telling you, say, corruption, Nanado Danko Kufado are failing, family and friends now, or can't say John Mahama and Momo Bama in the West.
These are matters we need to sit down and look at them. You don't take them on the face value, honestly. You know, it should be a perception. Be a perception. So you don't take them on face value. We didn't do the homework. I mean, let's take Wanchi for instance. Apart from 1964, Kwame Nkrumah is allowed to have Wanchi for one party state in 1964. I champion union government to cry anything. A champion union government anything. Even in 1992, when the MPP boycotted the parliamentary, presidential crown, MPP won Wanchi. Dana Kobane saying 2020 MPP in power. Now Kolusi Wanchi. So it tells you, sir, rather no homework be uncostly. Sana me no. And yet, maybe the Biva Bogan Swan. It's another class of the or I'm in Fabogan Swan.
Okay. Nana Mamimbo Akakra with a research that was conducted, and let me quote the source. Sarah Briley and Jojo Fusu, no, omuye doctoral candidate, political science, United States of America, Afro Barometer Fonso FI. In 2017, omuye dientia ema Ghana for tutia John Dramani Mahama. For example, managing the economy, say amemuno, nkofo dodo na kire say omu 72% ka say John Mahama entimi manage economy ni ye. Efe adwuma sem a Ghana for 76% ka say adwuma sem enti na John Mahama mututia no se fa se oma enyoma bo akofoma 81% ka say John Mahama ama nyoma bo ekosoro se efa electricity a Ghana for ka say John Mahama 75% omu ka say John Mahama ama electricity bo ayeden se efa corruption fight nso a 71% ekatre ne se John Mahama efa corruption a omu susu se na ban very corrupt enunti omu expect say Nanado Dankwa Akufo no MPP aban ebetimi asesa enyoma ni ye in terms of economy, jobs, prices, fighting of corruption nani nyina eka ho sanyoma we nya was so clear. Is it say na munim de ntia yeto aba no emama?
I disagree. Sometimes you people are talking about the academic traditions, but sometimes the reality on the ground. But the reality on the ground.
Reality
what happened before, during, after the elections at Formana? So analysis here we what the Formana be wura muhefa. Analysis here we what the Formana be wura muhefa. I independent candidate win. What the be wura muhefa. So I think I mean no.
Mepacho, Sabri said it was 2017. Nana, Wadaruma, Sabri said I'm making a year 2017 after see a two Abamam, and I'm not talking about the recent 2021.
No, never, just say, Yamoki coming in on your Ben Ashton Erka and your lecturer be Australia, Sir President Mahama, political science, academically. But look, sometimes it's the reality on the ground going at this annual way back.
And reality ni be there reality ni be there yeah, Michi. Reality ni be there with him, Pacho.
For me, Wanchi. I know what about academically, what about Tonafa? What about be there nearby coming in here? Where will you place for me now? Where will you place Wanchi?
For me, not the Omuka, the current research in interest undemocratic internal party structures and no current research be a capture more primaries, no say a kwanya mo fa so ma and kofobi a koya nanka mama.
We are going back to the drawing board. It will be too early and premature to be talking about this thing.
Okay.
Because you're called drawing board. Your babies are said, now when you're for places, you know. Man, I didn't buy a illusion. For me, man, I didn't buy a illusion for me. What I say? I think you is too early.
Okay.
Where we go back to the drawing board, Oko German, South, skirt and blouse, Kessiapa, German South. I hear then skirt and blouse, Kessiapa by German South. But the fact, I hear then crying skirt and blouse, Kessiapa in the history of this country. It be mad about this time around. I hear then I hear to me, I'm winning Hawaii, wash and wash also. Go and look at the votes on people now, K2. What is our name? Hawaii. K2, I think K2 not on K2 South. Go and look at it. Okay. And people playing a team in your voices. And what? K2 not, but generally voter region. Generally voter region. Because like I said, Dr. Bujia Crowd 69, when you see to a voter region. City no nya OT. OT. Bujia of 1969. President Kofa Nyabida. Nana Kufa do Baba ko voter region. But they say when you voter region with MPP getting candidate to get 65,000. Can you look at the whole voter region? And Otika Hunina Kwakamboma, the total votes is 65,000. But this time, one constituency, 65,000. So it means you need to go back to the drawing board and look at the levels. Go to Northeast, go to the Savannah. MPP improve your Savannah, Northeast, and the North. Votes on your see, sir, researchers and lecturers and on there in but I said that some of this intellectual exercise, you know, about Africa and tell Muramu and Fiti, and Muramusa. A big crowd got to the one who said, sir, now I'm on for complaining. Oko, Tachiman, no, Nkwanza, North. Sana, that is the thing. Sometimes the reality no one say that so please, you don't put the blame on the MPP. It is not a question of complacency. It is not a question of arrogance. Sometimes a human institution, you go back to the drawing board and look at one or two things. Ayadana Kwatia, Ayadana Fomena, Ayadana Wanchi, Ayadana German Sap. Then I'm Kwanzaa from Kwanzaa South. We lost the two. You see, are we going to accept the fact that this time no? Near the say constituency chairman, constituency executives, regional executives, national executives. Young broaden the voting range, you know. Meant for the past about 10 years, I can organize it. I card-bearing members who are paid up. Card-bearing members who are paid up. It is about to say, babi ti say Nhyira ebia wo mo meko primary secretary constituency secretary no ana chairman constituency ebia na nipa me 15,000 omo mo ko yi MP no ebia be 15,000 15 or 20 na paid up so we call ebia Nhyira so na 20,000 paid up ma be nyina bantu bi me just said that ade amaka ne da bia no o from people NDC so you should secretary no abeboa yempa.
All right.
Because I want to be by Musa. Now I'm called promise. Now I want to be 40,000. Maybe I need to pay 15,000. I will select a parliamentary candidate now. I can't answer. Who I wish to move past about 70% of the just waiting mania.
Nese metuasiana na ne krakra mu sa delegate nyomano mumu consider that is a mu twetwam na obi a we Cadbury member bia meto.
Yes, I consider. Maybe I've been making this point so many years. Suggestion to both MPP and NDC. What I say? I'm not the NDC yet. Let me say now you're good. But NDC for me say, and ya make some boy. Timing no. I want my year. Now Cadbury so me be mine. And then I'm a be trouble. No me year. NDC will be a minister. Our resources na. O timi twini pa abronye. Ofani pa fra bronya na de woma ba sunya na be register. Me nua ba ko na deputy regional minister NDC type because he has the resources. Enti okwasa na bronya ba de no aye 10 cedis. Enti okofa o na do ba register. Ba mo aduana no pa ba mo aduana wia. Na wa ma 20 cedis. Enti MPP for kra binum for kan be register. Oh, I understand, but that's all the NDC, you know, me, and I am very good. But I will always support that. But NDC for no car, but I will not, okay. Very good, but timing, no. Because I am BP, but October 2022. Now I started, every year in January 2021, no year registration.
Okay.
By January 2022, no close.
Right.
No close.
Mate, Nana, would you support Omo say chairman of the various constituencies now and as a regions now Omambo Muhammedeno? Omorizai, for example, for me now, even Bono Kra Malusulus in Kofoche say Abronya DC, time also a year Jumanana or Wakra air communication, also Lusu Chema won to mean so Oka 47 yeah Lusu seat I was a
I won't endorse that. Media, the only thing I will endorse on say electoral college in Mama Yamai. Because I didn't have a idea. Abronya did well. What do you mean did well? See, and this is only everything. But they are human beings. They nipa. It is a be Ebiana from Soba Kranam Yunuba. I don't know my uncle Casa Wanyere. I know the men on Yagane. Remember your Panua Drupa. Mama broadened the electoral college. And this time, and this year, I supported them. I said, look, this is a good attempt. Baba Chireno, Ubi Sabebaya, Nintia Belusia, Berananya, Mamabua, a time in one.
Okay.
So because you were a report, so I'm from as an independent minded person. And coming, Mom, you, what didn't be a pa? But a time in no. And did that be America? Both MPP and DC. So I'm shining on some broad in the electoral college now. You better Samamiana. You better Samamiana. Whether we are in power or in opposition, you have the same problem. Oh, power crowd, you know, no problem no more. Etino, Momenano, Cadbury members, some year paid up. And I just say, okay, for me now. Man, Kadipa, on the compromission. Ebiana, on Betina Yaba, 17,000. 17,000. Now, so 17,000, you're quite good. And can you say for me, no problem, Baba? What you say, you're quite your problem, Baba? What you say, one chip problem, Baba? Some NDC so a bit too more. I'm sure MPP in Kwan. NDC so a bit too more. They lost some of the seats. Because almost also no, acquire the same thing. Until now, media parties in the
okay.
MPP and NDC. One hand brought them electoral college, you know. I'm an and yet paid up members. You need to amend the party's constitution. So be aware baby
Okay. Lawyer Yedasi, Lawyer Bribuahin, Deputy General Secretary of the New Patriotic Party, and I am in a common live on Nhyira 104.5, Kuro Yi Mu Nsem, and now you gusuna, ye try say, Yensabeka, Nana Akwesi, okay, Owa Humaniso, NDC, Ashanti Regional Chairman, Ewa Humaniso.
My brothers and sisters, advisedly, since the inception of the Fourth Republic, final election results have always been declared within a 72-hour period. The sacred verdict of the people must be respected. It must be protected. It has been my pledge throughout my time of service as a representative to the good people of Ghana to do exactly that. And that is why I stand before you tonight, unwilling to accept the fictionalized results of a flawed election. My brothers and sisters, we went into the 2020 presidential and parliamentary elections with assurances from the Electoral Commission and the relevant state actors that it will be conducted in an atmosphere free from fear and that it will be fair, transparent, and credible. Unfortunately, that has not been the case. What we witnessed across the country from Monday, 7th December 2020, exposed a deliberate plan to manipulate and predetermine the results of the election in favor of the incumbent candidate, Nana Akufo-Addo, who, as so happens, controls all of the state resources and oversees the state institutions.
John Dramani Mahama Enra Oshiaye Netofani Nyinani say also one nyintum sa elections we stolen verdict nano NPP before you so am NDC for they say NDC for so use or see stolen verdict Nana Akwesi 2000 NDC Ashanti Regional Chairman Otemenka Openyin Nhyira FM suni matching
yeah me jusu
mo flag bearer say on nyintum into makokotana
Minya edika na mefa ofidie so na mintia ekura yana na otumfo se tutu abebio otoso mienu na nenkwaso na mintia excellency John Dramani Mahama na miya domo ebe katsam baby obesa the president of the Republic of Ghana na mintia ya party menyira na minfa asida emodu emma asantemai said the Asantema Ayama NDC Afi Abatono Atino Yemiso Yadamase na Yabesho Mobose Aba Omatun Obibia dia Akambiano Yabeshe Ama Yakan Yenimse yes John Dramani Mahama be declared as the president of the Republic of Ghana. Minya na Yatu Abawi na Asantema Apoye mayenya MPs and 9 obi ejina na fide so ka say bakokra yenya bakami adum ya yejumaden ya say yejuma ama party for ama santima apoye mayenya almost about 650,000 votes yeniso edu ma akema ya ye hu ejuma nyina yede ehu evidence ebeba abontin Minya yato abewi na kanso EC director to be fair party and master omumra mesan basic adanse asokwa se o calculate polling station by polling station na o de check constituency collection forms na difference wom enya grow de nya botre ayeni na vote a ese beka hono enya grow ya report to my national but ye wa asante na asante ewura ye mpese basa ye bia besi no ya me aduma Sunday anopa ye party man obi o to abia almost about 650,000 people no ye tun sa fre obi bia esomra ye de petition ekoma asante wura na ye de evidence na dia woman na waka ya sema mai ese abanu de ye nusu abanu but ye pese basa ye ebesi ye de eni die ni obo ma santimai se na de ya de man mekoso de ama but said the woman no ye ma obi bia ye de Nti sisi no party no ese results no omo njintum. Njintum na dey ho evidence ni ade eba. Na se beko so ada asantema ase e wodia.
Chairman Mimbusa we. Mimbusa kakra. A dear correlation was say anase a dana a yet to say just because the Sabia will sit echo a nimunti. And no say presidential no, and no say was a cosa amount. Bibisa or Juana.
Minya only say o man abakosa. Anytime bia you better aba Ashanti region you be from 26% echo no. And you likely say you will need the national
likely, but say and yet definite or no. So say likely.
Yes. If you know the young quote about you to be a no 10 beer and is from 26% could be ano. You will need elections. Or there's a meboa or the various elections are there. Yako. We should yinya. You're saying your MPs said a quenim, a chain MPP. And the evidence are clear. You see, I'm so moody 2 million everywhere. The day you win crana, or more the changes, and
but your baby to say, Miss Baby to say, Bodimba Kumino, baby to say, not Yentro. Miss Rona Yentro. Techiman, he.
Say, why won't say, soldiers the two kum and nipa. Media, you saw all these things, but you refuse to.
No, Chairman Patrick, can you different? Also, Techiman, ye wear abemu is different from Okase, these soldiers, a kum crofo, so which is which?
Minya, as some can say, Abana Yatun, Yanjintum, and say, you baby, and you will be a AC. Would be, I say, a better honina, a simno. Yampesa Basafaya, a bed, every human, the fat emra. But the America say, Ashanti, yes, we are dear, Yamuno, Yakabum, those said national air, Nedian, ye say,
okay,
the ne opening the Wukuma, you, or my, the kind of say, Asantuma, Eura, Yampesa Basafaya, Bessie, it's yes, we are the Assam, Echo, Kodai, the Kura,
right,
yes, we standard, yes, you have funny, and Tamia Sunday. NDC Nibia no be or to Abama NDC about 650,000 votes. You never show as once. Nay, ye match Akuma Ako Utu for the Yasam Aquede Apple Diana.
Okay, and now Mudi Kovia, Nancy say no more train ama utum for Akasana say Mudi money via Messadia Cocotte.
Minia, Patch, no, yeah, and it. Ye the evidence na ako but you know you say you wo ye na na wo ha ye be say you bebu na nimtia say ya fire sem e de twem eko enkrane ade no ye de ye hu ye de eko mano ye ni say okasa amafo e de eti
okay
yes ye de say ye de ba ko mano ye ko dwa to am say ana ne ma omo NDC mu azantima ye to abani wie no see na ede yehu ye mpese masabasa ye ebesi ye party na asedi a wo ha say ye say report ma national no be ka mo evidence
nti otumfo ho amobekọ no otumfo amobekọ no ni nyina mabọ national ne ana say mo ye mu dey different na obi anso ye ne dey different
party no ewo ekwan a wonam so but yeah ye wo asante a ye bu ye nana no yasema ba ye tin sign ho sa emfanko do say ye documents ekono ye sign officially no ye sign the accordion say ohine yasem ni osofie na why then what be
okay that's it. Chairman Nana Kwesi, Ashanti Regional Chairman, NDC near Nenetri and Komono. Abusia, Ahaya Nhyira 104.5. May catch us a Great Brains College. Great Brains College, where the National Accreditation Board are saying affiliated to NAPTES, HND and diploma courses. Makajos addition de ye, addition de ye papa, addition ye papa. Yeah. Before forms why sister Ghana cities, before forms were Love FM, Nhyira FM, Ahaya, before forms, Absa Bank, Tanoso, Nana, download the greatbrainscali.com. Neko suya the HND and diploma in computerized accounting, and a computer and a BBAO, marketing, purchasing and supply chain management studies. Great Brains Branesia dear Adusia dear a ye is ye lawyer wahe yina wahe and Siandianki about to papa sosa Besia dear diploma nenya binenya and kratani binentimin buana bibiansunya okay you him a man from 0248 171 946 0248 171 946. Yen engineers need the medical culture say adensi no chance ya wo de bo dan so nadwa wo de bo gate no bibia was auto free donima because donima esha say over 20 years nie and na wo mo de chance dan chance ye papa bo e dan so amayen and nadwa so papa are losing steel trusses or Petrobica premium the yakala the enkala ye nyina ye quality to be 20-30 years no now that's you should donima steel complex on your maybe automatic garage door wo roller gates and one say would drew enya afina mu maybe be and one so pa na ade na bia ma bibian so aye. Okay, 1 inch to 6 inches. Donima Steel Complex and so you will ask for YF Junction, Ghana Revenue Authority Office. Wa me patch off for number we na Donima na Dwa in Chensing Gate. We be a year dance here. They Boswell be Donima where quality course. Let's Donima the Papa Fee 0244 126 625 0244 126 625 Donima. Okay, 1212. Okay, yanko abontem quickly na yanko ti ade bi mfiri o mate se abrante bi akuninia ono ankase ninua we kuno. Assembly member owo abontem bosomtwe opanyi Aaron oteme nkan Nhyira FM sine megi so ho ye.
Opanyi me facho me ho ye pa.
Na hwan na akuninua ya den?
No you maybe 10 o'clock there about. Na ye enuanu mienu enyina efe no uncle eko ebu mensa awadi fi eye aduonu nsia ene nini aketwa eye Richard Yebo no so won fi be 32 years ana omoko eye sika ho omo ese
to bo ase obanyi to bo ase kakra ebusam so eni enyan kakra but mesre wa wo de ko Facebook na asema ye ken abrante ne da hosa no Jesus Christ. Oh mpacho de ko Facebook ne ko share me so uni enia yourself viewer discretion wadaruma viewer discretion ko she say abrante pa na moja ha obanyi to asoma me misro
enti me chemu say ye Richard Yebo a oye nua ketwa no oni ni nua panyin no ko sika ho ana otoshe ni nua panyin so na ni nua panyin de sekan edin kan ejam no etwitwa ni tiri ho ne nsa ho ano na ma ketwa no so anibire ya ono so toshe ni nua panyin so ma waje sekan ni fini sema odi twitwa no ekekere na to dem na otwa jatu mu ama samra mekase eye ebo mensa wadi mfie aduonum nsia no wo se dwuro ama ono so Richard Yebo no mo danyunu no ama chese oye mra enra eye petrotima omo baaye anetimi be fa no ko hospital enti ano pay sie ni wosin ho
me patcho boame ye hwe video no wa ha video na ye hu no abrante na o she as a singlet ono eda ho no ono ni nua akotwa na
Richard Yebo no na ye ketwa no
ena efie ni so a ehye no eye se panyin no na what e kotwa ne chekire no tu mu a wa pagya tu no mu no.
Yes, please.
Oh, engineer say ono de wasedwure be.
One day wasedwure be atese wadane nso kase crash. Na tese awe ho.
Etimanti mi anya ni bibia mpo.
no na tama yes ano amanfo no twehia nti me drew na police for no at the bibia chechwe ho nti na ntini anya eno no footage bia
na efie no eho no moti ana obi fie
opani mo chese ye awujade omo papa bi na ewu ye no de ama wo mo hwe so ana mo de me ma han enimu nyina mo de container titi ho de ho ehuska de bia da no eya na sikasem ho mentime ho asikakra wo ho ama omako ama omachwete omoto we bi so be kunu yonko na chete enam so a ama sa wo yele asi eya abonte kudi
aw ena ninia chese one panyin na de sekansa ase twitwa ni nua kotoa no
se ketwa na edin kan ro she no se onene beko ana hwe na ketwa no yese no wabo nti panyin de sekani twa no nti hwe image na ni se no ho twapa yese na so odi
twana na se bia wode bia ne sese wode bona na se odi twase ya de sekani twanipa
na nkasa odi twana nkasa ana ketwa de so hu sa no so je sekani fini nsem na cheze oneno ya ochichi no omo even tenant no mo around no kwa time of setting fire no make attention but papa na facility so but ketwa no hu so mo yi no o sa de sekani ku jam ho e ma mo je ni ma o ta ko to fom na cheze me ta me na me du ho yi na libra bentina o ta me fire service na hona na my attention won't na cheze am any dey obi antimi nko kedem ne ja no se ne ye na
neze wo omo ye na adwen kra obi ye na nso wo fa nipa no kra no wo so wantwe kra won hyew no ngu na bibiansi
on tiase kwa
ha eti efie mu ana ahyesa no
efie mu ana ahye
eti abrante so we ono so awu ana se owo hospital
me ba ho no pa idie omo twemu se owu ye
wow na sa ade de wa metie o kasem ne se ade omu treti omu ho dadaw e na matena wa na mahwe ne nhwe ha sa
omu chemu se enam se de ndane de nyina omu ta kulinti no those around ne fa ne say normal crowds omu eye ni bia nti o man taking that serious until say escalate to that level
opanyi edase bibia e be sa afro.
All right, let's make them up.
Abusia wan kasa wo de ko Facebook ne ko hwe de e koso no. Ya no pa de ba mo mfa ncheme. Nyoma bi say lawyer wa ha obeboaboa e kakra te say utia na say ni nua ne buafu de bi omko but on say nyoma bi say esi a na ye hwe ne say ye normal abo ntem bosomi bosomtwe district ena nuanu mienu ako ketwa no ahye ni nua no. Wo de ko hwe me ba
Otobia ni hwa te se enado obia so ntumi embo wo ho ban se nya wa wo beye embo samre yi pa ni hia se yebo ye ma ho ban efri bi
Say dear, Nhyira FM, Edin Yesi Ogana, and we are here for neighbor beer, air tower bubuano, and phone baby hour, Yedin Yabesi beer, and Manu phone so. Ye hear us over test NF, Ako 8787, Yabeto 15 pesos per udem, near Kosu beer, Yedbem Manu phone so. See a good Yamunsem, a Jed Yamunsem, and Niji Yamunsem, and I knew Subiano, Yedibro Sumpra, Nhyira FM, and what day.
FM, Nhyira FM, Trade and Tourism Online and Radio Fair. Etwana usoma wonom na bibiduro no to na eba wo fie e ma wo hu se die sitie no bibia ye no no e na mbepie no edi ni bio eye Trade Winds Plastic Limited omo ayija kumase so udru ase ya me see etwa bia wo pe bia no obenya ama wo
Trade Winds ye dwumedi ayedie and say ye bottles ye plastics ye saye dwumedi bebre na yedi na me patcho plastics aye no aye de bottles na ebibidrofo no eyusu no enu bia na ye de ye na ye won emu bebre ye was 750 amber and ye was 500 amber and ye was 330 the patcho say we ye bibidro ni na woto adro nko na ye bibidro nko ade a hwehwe ye kira kwan Trade Winds say de wo pe nyina ebe maw afen so nya no nko na ye ton ye sa tonton ne ma plastic a ye de ye sobolo de ye zonkomi de ye enema bebre yogurt de wo pe biara wo de wo pa hwehwe ye kira kwan ne bra ye bo so de eda form ye nema so ye papa ye nema moamoa ye nema ye kama pa e ma no so mo hote won anim omudwumadie ye kama enti bra da ye nka nkyerɛkyerɛ kura no Trade Winds enye nsusu de Trade Winds wo ba wo de wo pa wonimu kwan no kura be Tech Johnson ho na ebusa wo bia se me hwehwe Trade Winds obeka tro se bia faka na wo faka na car ne de wo beba be si wo ka se Trade Winds taxi driver bia wo tech bia nim ho enye sa so abesi tech police station na chi ho na wo de busa se CCC we wo hu CCC a busa wo hu se wona daroma ye friend say ehifa na Trade Winds wo bra wanima tenten so sa wo ba wo beba be hu Royal Foam for no ho na wo ma wani so a edan bia na hyenso de eye mefa ne se kokko esro ne ye kokko na ehwo no ye akokɔ sade a bright kakra nyame anim ni ehwo ape na ye wo na ye kira kwan ni we sa wo hwehwe so na wo yira so a ye number ni ye number de ye abefo ye friend the telephone no 03220920016 na mpacho pe de abali so abefo ya ugina ba bia me na make say so a 05015753887 mpacho ye na boafo ye be boa mododo munti na ye ho ye damas.
All right, in that day, Nhyira Love FM Trade and Tourism Fair no ye too far area be PM ewo Erosi Mall ewo Santase entino dimachi na fe no memfa wunramu ewo Erosi Mall nankasa ehu ne ekoso hankasa na bibia so ntumi koka niam de wangaza de dimachi ne enko na we hunu wani so. Manika kacho se oba Erosi Mall niam be brenu a eno wa have fat house na fe no supermarket and niam wodo be brenu a ena be pimo Erosi Mall on cyber kan o ha na ndem we boutique na be pimo boutique a enter the papa adwaso bet papa adwaso mpabo papa adwaso srepes papa adwaso Italian made na fe no brands awodo nya no ba on cyber ka bi watidi machim na fe me fa fam na ne brands awodo ne ne papa nkasa na eware de warutia o be center the papa man papa so abon ho na fe mpabo papa atumi akoso de a na chese boutique no ha eni di machi na me fa nkorons kakra. All right, enti me do mpaboa adwaso ha onim se medika ka che se wo pese ote kama na fe no oye politician bi o call apuntu bi asem anase o call baabi a ohunu se eho ye class no wo so a arizma mami nkamfo baabi ababenya mpaboa papa o ha obi ani ekire ma what we Italian made papa ye Ferdinando ewa ha na fe o chere tu so ha eye mpaboa Italian made a o ha obi ani ekire wo de wankasa no you know what I'm talking about. Yeah, mpaboa papa wo sha eye afebo na oduru baabi anso obi etu sampa wo ye guy pan wo hwe mpaboa we say ya na de kwapuntu obi ase a utum say you unya duru baabi a na ye ka se unimde na wangasa no level no ewo very high pan eno nti mpaboa de but the kaka chozo be piemu ewo ye Erosis Mall na wo be piemu na boutique ade a mpaboa de enye nakora o fat say we ya wangasa utum say you we tell you made papa wo sha baabi a beduru bia no oye guy one da form kama ye man pabo papa ne one da form one da form oh bra no wanga sabe hwe odi so ade. All right, Enter this mama, I see a room where I rose this morning. When you can't catch yourself, and I never papa just when I'm doing ocean near my would do go nothing conflicts, any snacks I would do go come. Unya ba a one-stop shop for and never be here beer. I'm not sure free enough for me more frozen and never frozen in Abu Hakama. We near my says a sadie remote to see yes. Sadia chicken, a farm, a fight, and Nasa pudding if you Hakama. And I've been my Calipo. So what did we can say? You want dear Bakwa, me cry, then there's almost ice cream on and dear Biado can't be Raha or the wife will be Raha so day. Obi also will be around so I just saw penny actually here. This mama. Would you be under the cake? Now, for any chocolate, be man. Oh, well, fine nice chocolate. I am man a eating count, not from Fantini. We are very, very nice, but we didn't see friend and my main. Over near my wood, good biscuits, I would do a branch, I would do in Nebby and so Hakama. Kick a boom enough if you be so to me, can also come what drinks, I would do a sort to in Nebby so. I will have nice the pan. I just see my papa and I've a can moon so near man so ha. I would to say near my papa can the access and why a day mouse and be a baby to my kind. We are ready to do any boomer and you know. And no should be a flask I would doing there being so enough a tea roll. All the brands I would doing now so and say back can be ha. Where you know a roses more happy and our baby saying my way in a beer. All right, this mammy do home decor. When we say Nagasadi, Ube Pimuso, I will hear roses more. As mamma and yen near my boss to tell him quite a tongue ham or buy your quality tiles and gas away Italian tiles. One way I want to be to me out from Tokan or can't see home.
Irosimo, open your chikwaya, you a hema kokobe, double road, baby, a double road na ending. A honoma, ye filling station, and the year opposite. Open your numbers are a Didi Juma or honoma 059 391 7070. Don't ye number of friend ya, Binyan, ye no Eddie Juma. Irosimo, Yame any or Irosimo, Hona. Nyama papa na ewo.
So we are still touring, and it's all about the trade and tourism fair that we are bringing you for 2020. The year has been very challenging, so sometimes it's very difficult to find your favorite, products, and so we are bringing all the shops to your doorstep, and that is happening right here in Kumasi and across the world. Today, I happen to find myself at Robert & Sons Optical, which is an amazing place. There is one thing that Ghanaians normally do, which is very wrong. We walk out there and we pick, anything anyhow, and we wear in the name of shades. Today, we are going to be educated, and I'm sure by close of the day, you will not just walk to the market and find anything under the sun, but you will get examined, and then you pick, or you'll be giving what really suits your eye. Robert & Sons, I have doctors to talk to, and so you want to join me, talk to them, and educate yourself. Why don't you just follow me?
Hello, my name is Dr. Augustine Derry. I am an optometrist and I work with Robert & Sons Limited. Welcome to my consulting room. At Robert & Sons, we are very particular about giving the topmost service to all our clients. As a result, we have all the kinds of equipment that we need to make sure that we give you the best of care. Make sure you make a date and come to Robert & Sons so that we can take the best care of you. With Robert & Sons, seeing is believing.
At Robert & Sons, we give you the best comprehensive eye care you can think of, with wide range authentic frames, contact lenses, accessories, and many more. Visit us today and experience the best of eye care. Robert & Sons, seeing is believing.
We are at 100 Runabout. We are very close to the forestry. In fact, opposite the forestry office at 100 Runabout. Contact Robert & Sons Kumasi on 024 008 4437.
Say dear, Nhyira FM edin yesi o Ghana enu wiase afana ba bia e to wo boboano. Emfa ne ba bia wo yede ne besi bia amma ne wo phone so. Ni hia ne so be test NF ako 8787. Ye beto 15 pesos per udem ni ekoso bia yede be ma ne wo phone so. Si akodie mo nsem, edwadie mo nsem, anigidie mo nsem, anani su bia no. Yede bro simpro kra. Nhyira FM day. Say dear,
or assembly member Ashrewa MPP
in her declaration. On account of this, my party is confident that what has happened is a violation of the law. It is a violation of due process and therefore tantamount to an illegality. It is also a violation of an understanding we hold dear in this country. The understanding that this is not a dictatorship or a monarchy run by a single family for the benefit of a family. Ghana belongs to the people of Ghana, all of the people of Ghana. We would like to urge you, the media, civil society, and all election observers, to be resolute and present a fair and accurate account of what has transpired over this period. We request of the international community to remain engaged in what is happening in Ghana and take careful note of the current threat that is being waged on our democracy, our freedom, and our way of life. To all the NDC members and those who voted for us, I appeal to you not to be intimidated or cowed to submit to a dishonest process in the face of overwhelming evidence that supports the justness of our cause. I extend my deepest condolences to the families of all who were killed simply because they were determined to protect their votes from those whose thirst for power outweighs their love for our country. And so let us all at this point rise and observe a minute's silence in their honor. May their souls rest in perfect peace. My brothers and sisters, I know dark moments like these can make us question our resolve and confidence in the promise and potential of Ghana and our democracy and its institutions. But I choose to be a determined optimist based on my personal articles of faith formed by long service to my country, including service in the high office of president. I urge you all to keep your confidence in Ghana and keep betting on the success of our democracy. This is a test of our ability within this democratic system to rise to the occasion and seek redress, to right all wrongs, to seek justice, to make every vote count, and to respect the sovereign will of the people. And let us not fail this test. Let history look back and be proud of how we united and stood up to fight for the people's fundamental rights to freely elect their leaders, devoid of crude political manipulation. And it is for this reason that my colleagues and I in the NDC will not accept what we know to be a fraudulent outcome of these elections. And we will take all legitimate steps to reverse this travesty of justice. Finally, let me assure our teeming supporters and the millions of Ghanaians who voted for change, the change which has been stolen in a real stolen verdict, that we're beefing up capacity in the constituencies where the ruling MPP is seeking to overturn our parliamentary victories already chalked. We're also deploying additional crack teams of lawyers and senior party officials to support these constituencies that are under siege. Also, in order not to leave any further infractions unaccounted for, the NDC will continue its meticulous audit of all the presidential pink sheets to ensure that the verdict of the people is upheld. These steps will surely lead to our next line of actions within the constraints of our democratic governance process, and all legitimate options are on the table. We want to send a caution to the EC that in line with Regulation 47 of
Nhyira 104.5 Kuro Yi Mu Nsem Fridays edition. Nana Kojo Jantwa, the Sokatua man. So far, ya share analysis kakra. Obie kasana na obribwa hi nina kasa na kwesi NDC for dom so mompre. Nana obribwa hi so kire say NDC for ya de pa in fact they are shocked. Afun so mugusu a one dey predict say electoral college system yemba mu ni enja delegates nyoma no ha dwen John Dramani Mahama so say ye wi abanim ye de asrafo ena jese omudie akwakoto to abana dane seat na because omudie omobe 146. So far we want to understand Ashanti region eto abane de nanso ohwe percentage wise eso tiba from ohwe previous one eso tiba from na complacency na ye den lawyer Kwesi Boete wa ha lawyer atena me nchen sa ya twena no pana seminuano no oha manwumre me so ma ha no wa mama ndan no anwumre me so se otimi nchen ne ho lawyer oso obesi you enye hwe oba nso ye camera nyina nso so head nani camera ye did $19,000 akoto no wo say na mai ye ntwe kura lawyer machi biem
that's how you been slanderous
dien ya simni ma dien na mkokan
me hon sama wakana no pe azam baba
me de kra na me yare
do kokot
let's so far what ye in sema akoso from election time ya bepem ene let's assess it saying the NDC for KDMP because and then Ashanti region in focus debe pa ni see and then MPP from 169 to 137
minti chedi see po but ni nyina no say chere amayofo se Ghana for yadwene mu do sense dia omhuyen no ebrebi atwam no nanka ukọ voter region enim se ho ni nyina de se bio amanfo tumi ka se ubo dwan kra tai edikosi ho now the NDC kala ehye no a obewi ni election enim se Asante mantem hanso no se sa amanfo ka se ubo se bio aponche tai now the MPP kala F pinti no ho na de ne begina obewini esisa na esisa because Ghana for etie ensem amanyosem sese
okay
na omunya adwen epensem mu amanyosem ana akomadi akire pii no esote eyemayen
okay
meka di akwisi so on say NDC for enya 6 million votes and so bro me yes o muko yisi ho no nipa ekoduru ho no ohwa no mu nru even 20,000 20,000
20,000 po yeah
obi akoto aba but na brabo ehu hia no akoto aba na mawo and that said on fa na koma ene di akire why assessment no hu say ebi aha na metoko ebebo ame no wato
okay
party fanaticism fanaticism
yeah
hey bro for nedin
eno anu me hu
eko esote eboa
se makuma pa
se me de makuma di akire me
NDC ni ana MPP ni but makuma pa bibiri sa de okay
enti no eno ena ama sese no enza mayofu hu se first no a na utumi beto notiegu Ghana fo ani na omaji atum na ne apebia ne ato ama no enye adwuma saa enye saa nka free SHS omo shout free SHS nka MPP should have won a landslide fa NDC for fani nyina fa half fa utumi hu se Ghana for eto aba no based on the issues wa a fire home bread and butter issues sorry anopa unya bibidi yama kania free no e dia ma sesia because ye beto aba no o ye sure say eto aba ni wia covid da so ho nso kania be free ensure be free Ghana for a assessment no mde koto aba nti nneɛma no bebra MPP for fan say tra o Ghana for we dey any say ebefa amfa eno na adi omu hwamo na eno na ema ha me say omu nya hunu say baabi a yedru no esese omu gina yie
MPP for
ga amanfo ni nyina meka akosi NDC fo mpo so
okay
nkane ene sen bebia ebre akodu ya yato abawia electoral commissioner declare say na nado danko akufo ado ena yeyi no omampani a January 7th ye be swear in as omampani ama wato na adwuma so no na se omampani dada wo ye press conference sa ba no anya antum na se whole party chairman oda so ka say ye be swear your mahama in ama wabedio mampani now the petition eko tumfo ho a otumfo the petition command otumfo nya electoral commissioner onye supreme court presidential election nipa wo tumi so betimi aka bi epe supreme court at this stage odu the petition ko otumfo so onye dai ye busa say o si aba no asante mantem ha enwiamu bai enwiamu no bi si he die na si po a o si awiem untumi nka NDC omampani na ngasa flag bearer no o say abane yawiem nti onye results no ntum but untumi ma one instance in one constituency say your coalition say you nya 20,000 but results no the buy no 15,000 na so nti o ma wi 5,000 you can't do that you see omampani dada John Dramani Mahama bra Ghana for etu na de so no na Ghana for agye atum say either say ne ho afrom ana dream ne kata asehye batakari Ghana for MPP for pam share no na afete no enti no 4 years down the line nka emfie nan enwa say otumi sign ba na Ghana for election lose over 1 million votes no Otumi close gap to 500,000 with everything that was going on. Sabato we campaign crowd went me and because COVID was all you can't do rallies. They didn't have President Akufo-Addo. Now what should be fellow Ghanaians no jina TV so. Machamo Kania fellow Ghanaians machamo nsuo. Still President Mahama baby mpempenswa abato no de ne bedu ye no. Me na me hu ne senka eso hu ne se ne ho asan. Bia say onya abotre na o go through the process ye ebi emfie nan e beba no obetimi adi mampani mana ye say NDC for no entu onom hofo they say parliament you have gained seats if you organize yourselves well obetimi anya seats ni bi dia ka ho dia win majority dachi e bi kura some by elections it depends
okay
what I say, you never know. I mean, touch would be guys say, Omampani bia MPB beto, but esi de bia.
Yeah.
And no ho. Say omo to me organize you on mu ye. Na omo conduct you omo well. Say Supreme Court na person kwa akọ. Wo evidence na kwa. Ye hu bi ba omia be popular organ ha. The fandodo na gina you and I were not there. On the Supreme Court election petition. So NDC for ewa adansidie sa batoɔ no enwiamu bi baaya on munko Supreme Court. But tintin say ya nyintum ankofo nsi abonten na Tachiman ɛhɔ Tachiman West ana North ana
Tachiman as
sa ɛhɔ no a ɔmo say Ghana for Tachiman for enkɔbɔ ho ban a esutu nkɔfo no. Party executives, omni regional executives all. Regional executives, even national for no Tachima Hono Penaka. I don't almost bas muana omunfa play Makumas no munko Tachima Hono munko enkojina tu na nko baba no bai. Adena national executives no munyina nko abana no bai. Baby a omufo say problem wo Senate is they should go there. If you have the evidence, present it. So say o frega na for say onom nko abonten so na omo nko resist Ghana ni bia enko abonten nko resist hwe abane ya to awie ya bobo so omo si awie mu omo na na waso die the responsibility was theirs to protect the ballot If you didn't do it, too bad. So, and yet, am I you quote for friate? And this more free da. When we need election, when lose election, when we need election. If you haven't learned from the election, if you haven't realized, I say, about one year two polling station, 1 year kind of. Na saa time no aya kan abana wie no aye diko collation center no, all your polling agents must go there. They must transmit the results to the collation center. Se uye wa ade nyina ye pepepe. You, that's where you win the election. And then you say mu win abani bida. Enti DNC na mu polling agents and me organize them. The Ghanaians must be disappointed in you. No, you disappointed in Ghana for akoto abama. Abano ono akosa lie akoto amano went me am protect ballot no atena wa hwe mo bia wiema obeka so nipa ne nsan kwa bonten enko risk in life to protect ballot enya de ebesi enti no the only option they have now is to go to court. If they won't go to court, they should keep quiet. You can ask for concession speech. Nobody can force you. Why? Donald Trump has decided to not concede. Enya by force. And now the dango Akufo-Addo 2012 one concede. Ghana no koso. And you know, for concession, you can decide that you won't concede. If you feel the election has been rigged, you can say it. In 1992, the MPP wrote the stolen verdict. Professor Edubuahin, Ose Abani Yewiem, or Troy who book, Engusiaga. What I say? The SO Mutumi Yenese Umunyan to Boasie. Na, say, Okonfo Bonisi Krumwa, or Timbi. Enti no say fresh and Kofonko street so near ade no nyame na aye adom Ghana for say ye ne ate too much sad no ensi what I say but sesia and I touch wood manuti subna so sesia enye MPP for nko na be affect NDC for ka ho bi oye ni ba e ba ma ye nyina what I say ono President Mahama no oye ni ba ye ni nyina na tikuro nim o man no ba o ma be no bebu inti sa ne man me mfa nto nchen so ma ntimi a organize omo ho anya ne na eso omo ye na se yawi omo a ye di wia because you needed to have organized yourself what you say sa MPP for strong room ya omo ye say owia wa planning the da because our strong room no create you know say if 4 years ago no plan so be we are now you couldn't organize a simple software to collect why too bad. And people must be disappointed in you, not you disappointed in the people. What is American intino media coming kwa? Min cassette by force President Mahama on ya batu na ya 2 yen into.
Okay.
But on yin to more and non chase krunumo akwenya ho on kofaso. Umunya sa tintintinti ya wini 137 ya wini 140 we wini 140 chire baby we wini tell us how you won, what is the margin. Yes, soldier 4 look, soldier 4 were deployed because where there was chaos there was need to sanitize it. What did I mention? I say yes, also you know the ballot boxes by chaos near you learn from these things. And yet, as if NDC for no more power, almost all ye be sada. Yet, to about no more power, almost all for soldier for the police for and go baby all the time. What are they talking about?
And they say, no, the crocker say Ghana, Yenina is saying, I bind the Washa say in a transition team. She say, do not be a drea, now, I say, yeah, quasi ye ba. Well, NDC force will mobile call and now may you so legitimate me. Say, yen are ye to abano, yen say, yen position yourself say. And I say, they are caught your berry. On my muhano, emremu, nipa ba akope. Electoral commissioner say, or your buy a friend Jim Mensa. Or no pen the bet me a trade ya we near bano. Or send another danko Akufo-Addo ne wini. Me amete hey. Minim say, Nanado danko Akufo-Addo any wini Mahama when wini. Okay.
Because Kakum Yajin Kwakuyo no pe enum.
Okay.
And the Ghana for you na ayate. Say or no ekasa asem no a. Amramu. Onipa otumi esesa sa asem no pe. On money Supreme Court judges no a no.
Okay.
So wo bibi say ya. Omo na eso de ko down omo ka say the arguments abeka ya no wati yasesa no a na ye adwuma.
Okay.
Say Supreme Court ne eka se John Dramani Mahama na awini abana ana yen recount no wawini a ono no ye president ono no wawini na na do wawini and Ghana for there and we have understood you can see obi go about their normal business bread and butter matter oti hey dia wawini aba no anope ama akoko Debbie e de masaka ho Debbie dia wawini aba no ema akoko emfa masanka ho eso koye adwuma titu mo wiem no anya bibia di enti wo fraga na fo so ono nko abonten enkwati nwu monten enye protest said e be ya wo be ba be di mampani enye adwuma ne enye adwuma ochena
okay
ndi amemi wa rehim wom ene say parliament ya yeyi 137 independent ni ade no se Ghana fo ye de nkuntabuo e de omo tonsene so. If we judge them with accountability, they will deliver.
Okay.
What did I mention? They will deliver. And that is what we must start focusing on.
Okay.
Number 2, abede di say, obi ntimi mfa enada bia medada Ghana for.
Okay.
O the free university, free SHS, free water, free pipe, free enye juma.
Okay.
Sa memwo ni nkoyi a obekọ.
Okay.
I'm hoping that they have seen it by now.
All right. Lawyer Kwesibuete, yedase cancer. Nhyira. Baby awo kono so yedin pa bobe techri. O ba ye pe B4 star. Right. I'm so ba mpe B4 star.
Eno ne de here.
Pan no. Okay.
Me kwa fuom wonte prayer.
Say the really ya so we FM Edin Yesio Say dear Nhyira FM Edin Yesio Ghana and we are here for now bia to aboboano emfa ne ba bia wo yedin yebesi bia amano phone so ni here so we test NF ako 8787 ye beto 15 pesos per udem ni ekoso bia ye be mano phone so see akodie mo nsem adwadie mo nsem anigidie mo nsem anani su bia no ye ne bro simple kra Nhyira FM e what day Say dear Nhyira FM
Dani nyina Everything
0322083581 083581 83582 83583 and 83584. Kuro Yi Mu Nsem Access Bank Adaruma almost more than banking. Omo boye pa bank the Access Bank so eka ho oma bank no eye de eteti go nso chiro oma life na ye very simple ama nyina eteti go makate say no anam use omo etel no omo data ne de ekoyie papa pa Absa Bank edi mobile banking utu feel betimi aye banking ama wankas we feel Absa Bank they are helping find a way to get things better. You go so catch you say MTN wa guswa one say ultimate download do MTN caller tune no wa so be pay bibi and say obi bonyu bi na ye oda wankasa betimi abot star no obo star 1355 hash obe subscribe na etimi aboa na wo gigi nkofo nyum na ye oda na wo subscribe no eno abetimi go a long way na wetimi anya sika bebre from 1,000 to 4,000 Christmas na enye de invest 50 Ghana cedis or more. Republic Investment aba where the Republic Bank na aba share just share so say bondo say T-bill so Republic Investment Ghana Limited where the enye nkwanche die ni bi wankase wani tua say Republic Investment die Womu a credible bank. Inti wudi 50 na e woman na kakra na e boa sesie na wo se oye nto boa kakra fa wo dache maka je se we nya bank na ya na edwane Republic Bank de wan kasa oni tua so oni wo mu ye adwuman enya de obi be ka kire se wo wia usika bia. We are the one for you. Take advantage now. Person purchase shares and now bonds and now T-bill ni nyina Republic Investment, your most reliable partner in the investment industry in Ghana. Koi social media, Instagram at Republic Investment Ghana, Facebook at Republic Investment Ghana Limited. Take advantage na bibian so enye okay Emma IYO IU MTN IU. Take advantage na nui me Richard ya ne teme ya teme ya mu si Debbie, don't worry. And one is says a BBC pet and one so valid ID card say be a hospital discharge later be a you bet me a cover 330,000 life insurance cover and now 30,000 hospital admission cover. What the answer subscriber are you star 170 star what select option 1 option 3 and so hot send with care ubon say eteto kakranga krano dachi BBC a yenkase BBC but BBC a 30,000 life insurance cover. Bella Kwanso say 12. Instead they say Bella Kwa active no better no 9 12. They say brillianty. Omedi ko 16 bottles. No more the especially wa brain we are when ya Bella Aqua active beer. They say from 12 omedi ko 16 January 2021 and now baby Bella Aqua active Toby stay true to originality. I was saying after the kwa humane so na yentwe and comma 0322083581 83582 83583 Oba, the can want some na beka and Chiano Soteso, Mesrema. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Morning, senior.
Bajuane Kase.
Mediani of the Frank from Adona, the one.
All right, the one meet you.
But I show to see. Yes, you unify when you are back. You do and yeah, baby beside it. But baby beside you. GM Sisterana Abotra no do commercial when you can and yashi. I send the best answer. I mean, I'm a chairman, yes, young Kuma. Maybe Bella will see the wine.
Okay, thank you very much. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Papa. I'm up to say.
Yeah, who announced where?
I don't know Mumpai Bonashi into the whole thing to fetch your concern.
Great, uncle.
How would you share coffee and this?
Papa,
oh, sir, MPP for about 2 years to say, or more in Pet. Oh my Ghana. Yeah, or my penny, but you know, I can't say, boom, 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 Papa. Boom, boom, now you're 2 years. Papa, boom, boom, or my penny back and then what do you say? Let's share parliamentary seat and this many of the block about 140 seats. And see, I do not pay the money on my Ghana. Now, yeah, Papa, there could do, and I made things as a security. What? The Juma will want this was yes, two, it's a bunch. Would you also MPP and this like a bomb? No, me too. Master, we are Juma cable too. Well, to make Gina Hawkins tonight, I said, defense minister, Shenipa, Yakumo, and then what I found. What the next year so, and I will deal with them, you will deal with them. I know I just from Jabba. Master, so be a dinkum, no working team, sir. Now, would you, your car, your 2012 ABC. And this is MPP for Muslim Posse. Sadia no mba ye intiation from Coco. Mami isi. Omo kasa ba bontia ba kasa. Election results now. Or the to abontin no. Why mistake? E dey no mo kan fa ho. No kenti o man Ghana say mami no wan kasa.
Okay. O point well made. Mobin Sumrebi. Good morning.
Hello.
Lower radio said ni kasa wan e kasa.
Kwani. Machie.
Mejoso.
From Hamza.
Hamza yanko. Hamza yanko.
Nhyira kwa na nkanche na position chiana pa na onkana kuma tuniyom. Tere je mbe kana nra no. Je gina opintin, na ase wanu da pa ni ka fufo wachi. So na je ka nyina ne se. Opanyi na onu betra o chiana woni ne kasa no. E ka se ye se aba no e press yi ti na e di club na otufo e de ko otufo di club ma ta otufo e bulu ye bulu pa ye bulu ti de bako ya ga tete papa o ma aba na ko tu ye ye tintin ye so fa yati ye nka se otufo di club o papa ka che no wanti ase ye nka se otufo di club ye ko ka che se ye papa ne ye na tu kurumu a ye mpesa ba kurumu anti ye ko ro ye ka che se aba na ye tu o ka se ye tu ye no full person which is me as a friend before into papa una okabi omo for me to be
thank you good morning
Akonda
yes sir solo what you saying
na me adom akonta me hoye pa
okay yanko
awon so e
me hoye pa
jide se me nya ba ne hoye
yeah
anope ma me mo wabaso ne police ene lawyer so nya me hwamo anope de me de wadu atiase wansamle na na frempon wata so se wa twema obeja no honorable Benito Owusubio deputy minister for land and natural resources and precious do do anope akutaka ka me kan say union ready for say ombe kokoto a emransi ho kwan omon kokot say the 2012 na do dan kokofado NMPP ko no ye titu mu say abato na course no ye ntie ho say de ko dan Supreme Court a na do dan kokofado be de tin ba o ka che Ghana fo nyina say be de tin wonye tum enso Ghana sum genti obeja tumu no omuso pa omuso enkokot na say wo ba otumfo omo bobo amo na ba otumfo ho mo bo otumfo na otumfo waka say na akere mo ata na makoma to miyem menim NDC for kakweshi za mo yete omle kuta number of majority of parliament no na 14 kakweshi ben the union NDC for mo ya enti omo ka tede na say omle kuta majority ti ewo MPP ana maame ye maame jemensa hefa ana oba bonta beka tede na bo nyina
okay thank you good morning
nana kojo
Accra
nana
Yamankwa
Yamankwa yanko enamdo abedo obedi amamesto na no pe ni la tiwele no tio na mi amempi onabo Emmanuel Ejeyanhere na MC campaign manager Yewura Moku na kojo ensem ha papa NDC for o se kojo ni eyenkura no o kanto kwa utimi se ya buwa me wuhia patafo eti ebata na wo se wusu se empanimfo anim tede be ya tani be ka se muano na wode babatu ko so ebi na yeni anum NDC for ye no because ebro na akuo mu no enya agro o mu nko te kokko so ho because o te kokko so de wo asu de hene so wo he dabone ho sense be ya wotimi gina siesie ya eno ya de a wo te kokko so abon ho modrepa ya iwia si nyina no idina seta ba bia enti yes NDC for bekona Yewura otekoko so akokoro wo monaja wo mudu ma ho ya na akwakopo ba bia tra na bebrebe bobo ya wo mu na mo kan press conference ya ho do ya wo mu ye no emfaso bi eno no mo beba so ati ase te si ensem bebrebe ya mo kan e fa yin fa enye wi abatom e se me ya mankwa na mo police station ba ko e wa atwa gogo nene wura bi efe no mumu ne ya wo no so ye NDC ni ono e ho no mo no aba enwemu bi ene ho no ma e ba ho eti police station bay eni ewie mu a ya NDC for nam e ka ewie aba
all right ya man kwa mu de be continue e ba wo be hu thank you very much hello good morning
hello
yes sir
hey ajampa baba
look man it say
Yami adom na wo so afom tete nkonie
nyame gusu hira me
na mi amadam fo pa Bernard Kusiapia na me pato gina wakide
wa no na peke course no
yo kata se mchiano pa na abato aye kokoto no na no ensem hu na ensem ne bepe bre pa na yaka die kotia ye no o se ti ye hu edu nie kru na wu na mpempe de nie no so na me ba beba abato aye akoto ya international observers aba kode wa baba da election wo say multimedia say Nhyira Nhyira fm no na mafidie ba ko so da Adom TV ya na metie mu somo ene for president Mahama kama da pa horomo di mo tem ka die ni nyina na kira mu media for wo so ma yedi adai enti abato no ye 2012 so be kaya ya ntiasie no ye kokot ni so ntiasie mo kokot ana so maybe a say dun ketia ka say any you can go to God no o ma fere so be kokot mpre ya na
okay
abato ni ato ni
all right
DDNC okay now who about the kase abano MPP e din kunim observers mo me ade me man che ko man free ya fence MPP to e ye mo na mo kan ye ni se ma so ntiasie a your pen won konkɔ ye
Yemfensia, democracy, Yemfensia. I'm for your damase, Nyomano Dorso, and Yomano Dorso, Waha, Yenye. So far, production team, no, of course, Willie Ewufia, Joe Ewufia for social media, Dennis, and so Twitter, MI, Disika Koko, Bernard, Kusia Pian, so Ewufia, Papa the General, so Ewufia, and I couldn't more. Mina, she say, Kuro Yi Mu Nsem, yeah, the bebro. Kasanya mi adwa ochna. Kukrantumi so ye woso ene ye be analyze bebre ochna kukrantumi nsem no doson okay enti yenkoton ade kakra.